this is Kyla, and welcome back to the Cardello Sisters. Brina cannot make it today, but I have a special guest today, and that is my BFF, Quinn!
Hi, my name is Quinn, and today we're going to be doing the
No
No
Phones
Phone
Challenge. High four.
High four.
Okay, so Quinn,
today-
you say our challenges.
So today for our challenges, we are going to be opening a snack. We are going to be writing our name, and we're going to be cutting it into half. We are going to be doing a cartwheel. We're going to drink water, and we are going to make PB&J. So
And it's also near lunchtime, so that's why we did PB&J last.
Yeah. All right, and we're also going to be counting points, and
There's
whoever
K and Q.
Yeah, whoever wins, the winner gets to make
A disgusting food.
for the loser.
No, it's peanut butter and ketchup sandwich, and you have to feed it to the loser.
Yeah.
The winner has to feed it to the loser.
Yeah.
And the winner basically does nothing, or gets nothing.
Yeah, so let's
Why
get
can't the loser just
started.
why can't the loser just dunk their head underwater for 1 minute?
No, I would not.
We have our snacks, and we are ready to open them up and
Go. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna have to eat a whole cookie, and then we're done.
Ready, set, go.
Can I just eat one already? Can someone open it with me?
I'm the winner.
I'm gonna see. How do you open that?
It's easy.
Thank you for my snack.
So this time we are going to have paper. We are going to write our name, and then we are going to cut our paper in half, and then the person that shows it up to the camera wins. All
I
right.
think I know who it's gonna be.
Ready,
Yeah.
go.
Gosh, this is hard. Can we rip it?
No.
What? Oh no, Kyla!
It doesn't have to be straight because you have no thumbs.
Done! Oh God! I got 4! Oh, you have to show it up to the cam.
Oh yeah.
Joint, joint.
I think
be doing cartwheels. I'm gonna go diagonal, and then she's gonna go diagonal after me. So, go ahead. High 4. So, who do you think would do good or do? We both get a point. So we are tied up 2-2, and we are gonna do the water challenge. And now, how it's gonna work? We're gonna drink all of it, and that, yeah, and then the
Ready?
person wins.
Set, go.
guys, so Quinn won that challenge. Yay for her. And right now we are going to go on and do the
PB&J. But if Kyla wins that round, we are going to have to do a tiebreaker.
Oh no.
High 4. Okay,
And
let's
then
get
Kyla-
on to the PB&J.
So we are gonna we're doing the
Peanut jelly. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Let's hear you say it.
peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time.
All right, so she's going to be opening the peanut butter first, and I'm going to be opening the jelly.
Okay, we just have to open these. Wait. I know how to spread it out. I'm gonna. This is so hard. Oh,
I had to use my head. Done.
I had a bigger bite than her. I can't count. So Quinn won that challenge, which means that I
She-
have to eat the bad thing.
So she's gonna be eating peanut butter and ketchup. We are going to give her one bite.
I think I actually tried peanut butter and ketchup before, and I kind of liked it.
Then we're also
I just think I'll like it. I actually do.
Alright, so she has this. And it's gross. I don't even know
I'm so scared.
She's gonna eat one bite. I think I might try a little of it. I'm interested to see how it is.
You're the winner, though.
Alright, never mind. I'm not going to eat it.
I'll tell you if it's good or not.
Okay. Alright, let's do it.
I didn't. There. That's actually good.
Wait,
I know I'm weird, but that actually is good.
wait, let me try.
You didn't try that with the ketchup on. That's good.
It's gross. Ew. Oh wait, it actually is good.
It's good. It's actually good. I know you guys think I'm a weird, but it's good. I know our friends that, and it's weird that we're sharing the same food.
That's actually pretty good.
I can believe we already eat that whole sandwich. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and like our channel, and don't forget to go down and to hit that subscribe button so you can get, and then hit that bell when it turns gray. Hit that bell, and so you can get notified each time when a new video pops up. Thank you for watching, everybody.
Bye bye.
Bye. We have our snacks, and we're ready to open them. And pull a bird. Okay, stop. Pause the video.